on YouTube? It's your boy Mel. Welcome back to another video. Y'all probably wondering why I got this ski mask on and stuff like that. It's snowing out here. It's snowing once every blue moon in Alabama and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I got all this on. I ain't really used to it, so I'm cold right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, I'm finna go pick up my homeboys and stuff like that. We finna have a little snowball fight. Hopefully y'all enjoy this little vlog or whatever. I just wanted to film for y'all because I ain't filmed in a minute. And plus it's snowing outside. We really don't get no snow. So gotta put this on the YouTube and stuff like that for y'all. See how Alabama is. Don't come here. I advise you not, because Alabama ain't really talking about nothing. I'm gonna go pick up Devin and Trey. I'm sure y'all seen them on my channel and stuff like that. But like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn that bell notification on. Got more lit banger videos coming for y'all in 2025. Hopefully y'all having a good year. And yeah, let's go pick up Devin now. Alright, so you two right now, we're finna go pick up Devin and stuff like that. Ain't gonna lie, this kinda deep right here. But yeah, y'all can see my car, bro. It's full of snow and stuff. Little kid again, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I haven't had snow in a minute, so I'm excited to kind of like be out here. I ain't gonna lie, but y'all can see my car covered up with snow. Gotta get that off. Oh. And yeah, we're gonna warm up the car and stuff. We're gonna go get them. Y'all stay tuned.
I'm rich, you wanna know why? I addict, I love to get high. Look, I'm way in the sky. I'm flicking it fly.
Your hair gonna be super cold.
True.
We don't got it.
We can go to the store and get some.
We're gonna go to Buck Creek real quick. Alright. Boy, you ugly.
Oh, girl.
Yeah. Yo, what the? Yo, twin is tripping right now. What up?
He wants to show.
It's raining and stuff. Like, what it is? What's going on, my boy? It's not Monzy.
You on the camera for YouTube.
What's up? What's up?
What's that? Thumb a girl in chat. Like it. Nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
He's not gonna make it. He's gonna get something. He's gonna get some kind of illness, bro.
Bro, that weak snowball, boy. I'm on your shit.
Hey, y'all, chill out. There's water.
Hey, y'all.
Right there.
We finna build a big old snowman real quick. See what they hitting on. We're gonna have the biggest snowman in Alabama, so you can't,
Hey,
you know what I'm
guys, chill
saying?
out. There's water right there.
There's water?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm still in it. I got boots on.
Hey, y'all, who was you talking to?
Yeah. Let me see that. Throw it, Dave. Throw it.
I ain't got torn though. No. He's talking about how I throw the bruh.
Monzy, guess what?
Nigga.
Throw that man.
Hey, what's this doing?
This that NFL woman. Say it hurt.
Hey!
This that NFL weather, y'all.
Yeah, it's the NFL weather.
Yeah, this the NFL. This the NFL weather, ain't it?
God, it's hard to
Yo,
put
I
my...
just slid! Bruh!
What you hurt?
Look, nah, I slid on purpose. That's
Y'all
gonna
can see,
hurt.
I got 2 jackets on, 2 pair of pants. You know, I go ski pants on them.
Woo!
Lindsay boots.
Nigga.
Oh!
What happened to you?
Oh, Trey! I slid in
What happened to
the
you?
snow too.
Foot.
It's wet.
I
Yes.
slid in the snow too.
What too? Say hurt.
Go, Darius!
Hey, chat. It's too cold, bruh.
Woo!
Chat.
Look at his clown shoes, please.
Not clown shoes, they're Uggs.
Ugly.
She ain't catching me. You gonna fall.
Nah.
When you fall, you would definitely fall.
How do they do this?
Oh my God. You ready to go on the route, Jen?
Hey, hey.
You ready to go on the route?
Nigga.
Hey, Monty. Call us in the DM up. Down, say what?
Bob.
You doing a little fade? A little fade.
Oh, coordinated. Bro, you don't get mad.
It's too easy. It's too easy for me. I got that defensive spirit. Deion Sanders.
Maybe you call me Patrick Mahomes.
Deion Sanders.
Well, I got the football.
Not the way you throw it like that.
Go.
You ain't catching my home.
Right to him.
Honestly, y'all, we
And I'll
finna
do
do
the
the snowman
top.
right now and stuff like that. Got the bottom
Maybe you
part
can grab my
going.
phone and
I'm
show.
gonna start the middle part. And then we all gonna do the
You gotta flip the camera.
we all gonna do
You
the
know how to flip?
top part and stuff like that. So gotta round this out. I ain't gonna hold y'all on here too long just watching me do it. So I'm kind of like cut it, clip it. I mean,
You know how to flip
you get it. You get what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, we get what he said.
Tight.
What's up? What's up, YouTube?
Ain't gonna lie, y'all. My hands get freezing.
Yeah, I need to put my hands in the pocket, bro.
How about I say you
Let me
put
roll
your
this
hand in that
couple more
campfire, you gonna have some. You ain't gonna have no hand.
Your hands gonna fall off.
You roll that a couple more times like that.
Woo! The cameraman. You gotta have your eyes on me.
There we
though.
go. We got that middle part.
I mean, not his
Hey,
eyes.
roll that over here
The
so I can put that on top. Ain't gonna lie, y'all. My hands are freezing
I
right now.
can't even move it anymore. You're gonna have to move it.
Ah! Mel, this is heavy. Try to push this.
Dude, what the?
Try to push it.
Oh! Now!
Now we got to form. Let me form it. Flatten that part.
It's soaking wet, bro.
We have to flatten that.
Woo! Cause they're not gonna get frostbite.
Oh, chill out, chill out. You better chill out now before it falls.
We need one more part, bro.
Hey, I'll make it. How big is
Oh my god, bro.
Your hands been cold.
Yes,
it? Hey, I need to warm my hands real quick.
Oh, my hands are cold.
Woo!
I just want to get frostbite.
This is so cold. I'm wearing these big gloves too.
Honestly, y'all, this is how the snowman looking right now.
We can bring back some truck.
I'm trying to make that. I gotta improvise. We don't got that stuff out here.
To my charcoal?
Yeah, we don't got nothing, bro.
Not cause me and some more. There you go.
That works.
How y'all like our snowman, man?
Hey,
Man, put your ski on them real quick.
yeah, put
What
your
you tweet?
feet on. Hey, wait, what's
You know
this?
what I'm saying?
Make them a YN.
What's this?
Tell David come out here for the thumbnail. Come on, Courtney. Tell David to come on for the thumbnail.
He don't want to be in it. Y'all
Alright,
pose
cool.
up. Y'all pose up. Y'all get our pics and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. I'm funny, boy. Hey, y'all watch this, though. I ain't gonna lie. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, there, man.
It's that speed thing.
That's like I'm trying to soccer player, boy.
Wait, I want to do that.
But then you supposed to jump with it.
Huh?
start jumping your knees.
Here we jump. All right, here we go. Here we go.
We're ready, we're ready. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey man. Hey man.
Cause you know,
This ain't gonna be a long video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. You feel me? We got snow for the first time in like, how many years?
5 years, 6 years.
Like 5, 6 years?
No, that's cap.
How long?
It snowed like a couple years ago.
Oh. Well, I just wanna record this for y'all a little bit, put some content out, but hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. It's your boy Mav. If you're new to the channel, dang, I'm tired. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn that turn that bell notification on. You feel me? Comment down below what kind of videos y'all want to see. And yeah, it's your boy Mel, and I'm out.
Wait.